Let's get your TimberLine FX system on your vehicle. To complete this system, you will need two TimberLine FX crossbars. TimberLine FX comes in multiple crossbar lengths and is vehicle application specific. So please make sure you have all the right parts for your vehicle by using the Fit My Car tool on Yakima.com. For the installation, you will need the included torque wrench as well as a flathead screwdriver or coin if you're in a pinch. Start with the front bar first. Some vehicles may have a different size front bar and rear bar, so make sure you grab the correct length. You can add the included front crossbar sticker to the underside of the bar to help keep everything sorted. First, remove both covers by pinching here and pulling it straight out. And with a flathead screwdriver or coin, unlock the locking cover and remove it. With the torque tool, loosen the tower screw until the tower can slide on the crossbar. Now, loosen the clip screw here until the clip is fully extended. Repeat these steps for both towers. Now it's time to get the bar on the car. Slide both towers inward to make the crossbar as short as possible. A friend will make this next step much easier. Place one tower on the raised side rail and extend the other side at an angle so that the other tower's clip can slide under the rail. Make sure you bring the crossbar back so that it is perpendicular to the center line of the vehicle. When setting the front bar position, consider the distance you want between the front and rear bars, as well as any possible sun or panoramic roof interference. Pull each tower against the near rail, then tighten the tower screw until the torque wrench clicks. Now, hold the opposite tower in the rail while pushing the crossbar out to set the tower and tighten the tower screw until the torque wrench clicks. With both tower screws set tight, tighten up the clamp screw on both towers until the torque wrench clicks. Check your work. Give the bars a good shake in all directions. The tower should not move at all. Now it's time to replace the locking covers and turn the plug to the locked position. If you have SKS lock cores you would like to install, you can do that now by popping out the plug and inserting the core in with a control key. Now, just lock it up. To complete the system, repeat all the previous steps with the rear bar. Now you're ready to hit the road. That's it. Now get out and take it easy.